Here is a faceless YouTube channel, and this is the amount of revenue this channel generates. And what's even more impressive is that they generate this much revenue on YouTube with faceless content. In this short video, I'll show you how you can also create a faceless YouTube channel similar to this one using free AI tools. I've got an empty YouTube channel set up for this, and I like to create content similar to what we'd see on a motivational YouTube channel. Firstly, let's customize the channel with a name, description, profile photo, and banner image. Click on the customization menu. Under basic info, we'll add a channel name and description. We need few channel name suggestions, and this takes us to our first AI tool. Open ChatGPT and type "Give me 20 catchy channel name ideas for a motivational YouTube channel." I like number 1, Motivation Nation. Now we need a well-written channel description. Type, "Write me a 100-word YouTube channel description for number 1 centered around motivational content." So now update your channel with the new name and description. Now we have a channel name and description set up. Next will be branding. Click on the branding tab. Let's use another AI tool to create the channel picture and banner image. Open Canva. Type YouTube channel logo and click on the YouTube channel logo suggestion. Click on Create a blank YouTube channel logo. Click on App and search for text to image. Select the text to image app. Let's go with Fearless Lion. I'll just change the style a bit by selecting Dreamy, and let's try again. Cool! Looks nice, and I like the results so far. I think I'll go with the second image. Okay, now let's have our image fill up the entire space by setting the image to background. Next, let's download our profile photo as a PNG file, and let's upload our new profile photo to YouTube and hit publish. For the final bit of customization, we'll add a banner. Head over to Canva, type and select YouTube banner. Select Create a blank YouTube banner. Click on Elements and type a keyword. I'll search for desert. I think I'll select this image under Photos. Okay, now let's have our image fill up the entire space by setting it as the background. I'll make some quick adjustment to blur the image slightly and bump up the vibrance and saturation just a bit. Next, I'll add some text, font, color, and some shadow. Also, we should probably add some additional text that says subscribe. Next, let's download our image as a PNG file and upload our new banner to YouTube. Okay, let's view the channel to see how it looks so far. Now we have a channel name, description, profile photo, and banner image. Next, let's generate some video ideas for our first video. Head over to ChatGPT. Type, "Write me 10 popular motivational quotes and who said them." Looking good so far, and I think I'll go with number 3 by Winston Churchill. Now that we have our video idea, we do need a short script. So type, "Write me a short story on number 3, and make it entertaining." Great, if you're still here, do hang on because it's about to get super exciting. Now that we've got our video idea and a script, let's begin with creating our first video. We'll need audio voiceover narration for the script, a video, and subtitles. Let us begin by using AI to generate our audio voiceover. Head over to Lovo. Sign up for a free account to generate realistic AI voices. Copy and paste the transcript. Please note, there is a word limit, so you might have to tinker around a bit. I will go with Paul, an AI speaker with a British accent. But more AI speakers are available, so feel free to play around with the interface. Next, click Generate. Play the generated voiceover audio to see if you like the result. If you are happy with the result, click on Download. Now that we have our AI-generated audio, let us create our video. Head over to Canva and search for YouTube video. Click on Create a blank YouTube video. Click on Elements. Now we need a background, so I'll search for the British flag. Please be aware that there are some premium assets shown here, but we will be using a free option. I've selected an image, and I'll set the image as the background to fill up the entire space. I'll add a vignette, blur the image slightly, reduce the brightness a bit, and increase the contrast. I'm very happy with this. Next, we need another image. Go to Apps and search for Text to Image. Select the Text to Image app. Search for older English gentleman in a suit and bow tie. I'll change the style to dreamy to see if I can get a better result. Perfect! I'll select the third option, resize the image a bit. Click Uploads, and then hit Download, because we need to remove the background from the image. Head over to Photo Room. This app really does a good job of accurately removing backgrounds, and it's a handy free tool. I've uploaded the image, and I'm very impressed with how Photo Room has done a really good job of removing the background. Next, I'll download the image and return to Canva. Back in Canva, remove the previous image and upload the new image without a background. Once uploaded, select the image. I'll resize the image a bit and flip it horizontally so our avatar faces the same direction where our transcript will appear. Let's make the image a bit smaller. Okay, that will do for now. Let's edit the image and make a slight adjustment to the image's brightness and vibrance. I really want our avatar to have a red bow tie, so let's add one. Under Edit Photo, go to the Effects tab and click on Magic Edit. We'll use the brush tool to paint around the black bow tie. Let's let the Magic Edit tool know we need a red bow tie, and click on Generate. The third option looks fine, so I'll use it. Now, before we move on to the next tool, we should take care of a couple of things. First, I think the background should be adjusted a bit for our avatar to stand out more. Let's blur and darken the background. Secondly, select the avatar and under Edit Photo, select Effects, and then select the shadow effect. Now, let's add some shadow to our avatar image and also make it slightly bigger. Nice! Now add some text with a brief title to let your viewers know that this is a story from a quote and by whom. Okay, now download the image as a PNG file. If you're still here, please hang on a little bit more because it's about to get really fun. Let's bring together our audio and video to make our avatar speak. Yes, we will make our avatar in the PNG image speak alongside our audio. Head over to DID. First, I'll upload the audio created for the script. Now that's done, I'll upload the PNG image, which will be our video. Great! Now, I'll simply click Generate Video and let DID work its magic. The video is ready and I'll quickly preview it to see how it's all come together so far. Honestly, this is so cool and I'm really happy with this. Now, I'll download the video. Next, we'll need subtitles. Search for Vid.io subtitle generator. Create a free account and a new project. I'll upload the video, wait for it to finish and select subtitles. Next, I'll select auto subtitle. You can select a language, but in my case, I'll leave the language in English and click on Create Subtitles. We've got subtitles and now I'll move over to the video timeline at the bottom to make some quick adjustments. I'll move the video playhead slightly over the first block and click on Styles. I'll change the font, alignment, size, and position. I think I will make the entire text uppercase and adjust the size a little. Looks fine. Now let's preview the video to see how it looks. I'm happy with the results. To finish up here, I'll click on Done, export the video and finally download it as an MP4 file. The final video is ready and it's time to upload it to YouTube. Open YouTube Studio, click on Create and Upload Videos. Select the new video to start the upload process. The new video will need a title, description, tags and a new thumbnail before publishing. Let's return to ChatGPT and write a YouTube video title about "Success is not final. Failure is not fatal" to attract viewers. We've got a title. Next will be to generate a video description. Now write a 400-word YouTube video description about the title of the video, optimized for SEO. The final bit we'll need from ChatGPT will be tags. So write 20 high-ranking character keyword tags for a YouTube video about the title of the video, optimized for SEO. I'll copy and paste the new title, description and tags to YouTube. Finally, the auto-generated thumbnails look okay. But we can quickly create one in Canva. Head over to Canva, type and select YouTube thumbnail. Select Create a blank YouTube thumbnail. I'll simply upload the previous image we created for the video. Set the image as a background to fill up the entire space. I'll speed up the process here by adding a title text. Looks good, so I'll download the image as a PNG file. Finally, I'll upload the new thumbnail and finish up here by publishing the video. Now that the video upload is complete, let's play the video to see the final result.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a young dreamer named Oliver.
This is very impressive, and we can only expect AI tools to get even better over time. Now, you can get started creating a faceless YouTube video for free and decide if you'd like to start a faceless YouTube channel. Also, one more thing to address. I'm sure you've seen the watermark at the bottom corner of the video. This was added by DID when we created the video earlier. Although, you could blur the watermark out by simply using YouTube's built-in editor or some other tool. However, I highly recommend that you read the terms of service or user agreement of any AI tool you decide to use. So, I encourage you to do your own research if you choose to use a number of AI tools, even ones that are free. If you've made it to the end of this video and would like to support this channel, please do so by hitting the like button and also subscribe to help us create some more content similar to this one. That's it for now, and I'll see you next time.